Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to make mac and cheese on the Blackstone griddle. First you preheat your griddle to low to medium heat. And in an aluminum foil pan you add some milk and Velveeta cheese and any other cheese you want to add. You do the same process for making a cheese dip for nachos and stuff like that. Keep your heat low and make sure you do it constantly. And put some milk in it. So there you have it. That's how you make mac and cheese on the Blackstone griddle. Hope you like this video and subscribe. Just wanted you to see that there's a lot of different things you can make on the Blackstone griddle. I'm still learning and, trying new things. I didn't start trying new things until I got this Blackstone, and now I'm trying a lot of different things. You can also see in one of my other videos, I made popcorn from scratch on it, and I'll link that in the description. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.